My brother and I got lost in the woods, so he did me behind a tree, part 5. On the third night, things took a turn for the worse. I felt like the feeling was never going to go away. The encounters with my brother have been more aggressive than before. This time, the wrestling in bed seemed bolder. My brother and I decided we couldn't stay any longer. By that, I mean we wanted to have a kid and move away from our family. So we packed up our gear and made our way back to the trailhead as quickly as possible to get home and claim all our belongings. As we neared the camper, we saw the park ranger from a distance. He didn't see us, but he was talking to an older guy and lady. We were around 5 feet away from them, hiding behind a trash can. My brother had the brilliant idea that he wanted to practice making a child then and there, so yeah. I couldn't help but start making some noise while there was a 8-inch cucumber inside the donut. We could only hear the park ranger exclaiming, "What is that noise?" moving closer to us as my brother just kept pounding. What felt like a gallon, we quickly pretended like I had fallen, and as soon as he reached here, we just looked sweaty as we just finished a long hike. He didn't ask questions, he just asked if I was okay. We exclaimed yes, and that we on our way out. So we jumped into the camper and sped away, leaving the forest behind. To this day, we don't know whether to go back in those woods. But one thing is clear, we'll go back if we run out of that plant. My brother and I have 2 beautiful daughters named Lily and Rose. We'll never forget those beautiful flowers again. Follow for more stories.